O Allah, I begin this new week in your name. Make this Monday good, blessed, and easy for me. Fill my heart with peace, my mind with clarity, and my affairs with ease. Let every step I take be in line with your rida, pleasure, and do not let me stray from the right path. Remove my worries and replace them with trust and surrender. Grant me strength, patience, and determination so I can complete what I start with al-Khayr, goodness. O Lord, expand my sustenance and make my earnings lawful and blessed. Open good doors for me and bring good people into my life. Turn difficulties into ease and fill my heart with relief. Grant me a heart and mind that can distinguish truth from falsehood. Make me among those who are grateful and teach me to appreciate your blessings. Allow me to grow closer to you with each passing day. O Allah, protect me, my family, and my loved ones from harm, calamities, and all evil. Grant healing to the sick, relief to those in distress, and ease to those in debt. Cleanse our hearts from anger and resentment, and fill them with love and compassion. Let us spend this week in health, peace, happiness, and success. Accept our prayers, forgive us, and keep us firm on the straight path. Amen.